Welcome back to the channel, guys. Unfortunately, due to the nature of my work, it's been a while between videos, but we're back working on the VB WRX today. You've just seen me pull off the front bumper, so we're working on all the mods that are going in there today. So let's have a quick look at what we're working with. There we go. Just pulled the front bumper off. I've got it up on the stand. Going on the car today, we will have this lovely cherry blossom cross member from D-Maker. This will be going in here, and we'll be doing some work through here. We'll have the cross member going in that way, I believe. Additionally, I've just received my new front grille from Japan. So this is the genuine JDM STI front grille. And lastly, I'll be installing these DRL piano black fog light covers. So let's get to work. I'm going to start by installing the cherry brace, which requires me removing this black surround. Looks like it's a couple of push pins at the back here, and then it should just pull out. And it just removes like that. Two blue pins on either side hook in, and just two push pins at the top. We're reusing the factory hardware up the top two spots here with two supplied bolts on the bottom. There we have it, the cross brace has been installed. That's actually a fairly easy one if you want to do it yourself. I'm just going to figure out where I'm putting this horn and we'll move on to the next stuff. So my solution to the horn problem was just to reverse the horn on its bracket and reinstall the bracket. It's not ideal, but until I get my front mount intercooler in, I don't know when that's going to happen, but once I get the front mount intercooler, then I'll figure out exactly what I'm doing, whether I get hella horns and mount them in the middle, or see how we go with clearancing for a front mount later on. Moving on to the front grille, we have a couple of clips and a couple of screws to undo. It's quite easy to swap across, so I'll get started. Should just be able to start popping these clips out. And I'm just going to roll this back up and shuffle that grille out the way. So there we go, the old grille's removed. Nothing. I've never been a huge fan of this look. It's grown on me over the last couple of months, but until then, I was just waiting till the new grille arrived. So I've got the new grille. Just line up the camera cover and screw it back in. For those who like the look of this grill but don't like the STI logo, the STI logo can be removed with 2 screws as well. I'll just come around this side, line this all up. And there we go, new grill installed. Now moving on to these DRL fog light covers. These come with all the required hardware as well. So I just need to look at how these need to go in. I think I need to remove that clip, this clip, and the rest should all just move out. Seconds. Now, after reading the manual several times and checking other sources, it seems that this particular model of the Australian version does not have the support capability for running these DRLs. In the American version, there should be an extra plug pre-provisioned in this harness here, coming down to a plug similar to this to wire into the fog lights. Looking through the manual, there should be a bit of pink tape, but unfortunately I cannot see this pink tape. I've checked the other side as well, and there's nothing there. Additionally, going through the cabin, this particular version of the harness is must be a newer version, as this is designed for the interior cabin to have a switch wired in where you can turn the LEDs on and off from internal switch rather than the actual accessories. I haven't had a good look yet, but I couldn't find anything that matched into this harness. As such, I am just going to zip tie up those harnesses for now, reinstall the bumper, and we'll have a good look at the final look. So we've got the bumper back on, everything's looking amazing. Looks like these fog lights are actually a different shape underneath, as well as that piano black. So these are actually looking amazing. I'm going to do a bit more research and find out how I can get these DRLs actually running. You can see the cherry blossom cross brace in behind the front grille here, and the front grille's all in place, ready to go, with piano black colouring as well, making this car pop that a little bit more. So that's all I've got on this one. I'm still waiting on a few more parts. Hopefully they should be arriving early this week or late next week. And however, those are probably going to be some smaller parts, and I'll probably do some shorts for the installs of them. So coming up, I'll have a 4-parter video dedicated to suspension and wheel upgrades. I've got most of the parts already here or on order. The only major ones I'm waiting on are the wheels, and I've been told that they're about 2 to 3 weeks away. So hopefully by the time I get around to finishing up the rest of the upgrades, the wheels will be here ready for some tires, and I'll be putting together a whole series of videos for this car on how to upgrade the suspension. But we are getting very close to the final look of this car, and after that we'll start looking into some power upgrades. I already have a few in mind, but it'll be interesting to see what everyone else thinks I should be doing. So that'll be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed this slightly more simplistic video and the final look. See you all in the next one. Like, subscribe and follow.